Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making ghost pepper wings. You will need 2 pounds of chicken wings, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder, 3 cups of buttermilk, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, 6 to 12 ghost peppers, and canola oil for frying. Add your buttermilk to the chicken, cover, refrigerate, and allow it to sit for at least 3 hours. Using a food processor, grind the ghost peppers, then set them aside until later. In a small bowl, combine your salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Now add the ghost pepper and cayenne pepper, mix well, and set it aside until later. After at least 3 hours, remove your chicken from the refrigerator and pour off the buttermilk. Now generously season with half your seasoning mix. Now add the flour, baking powder, and the other half of your seasoning to a dish and mix until well combined. Dredge your wings through the flour mixture, then place on a wire rack. Add your oil to your pan, then using medium heat, bring to temperature. Now fry your wings in small batches for 10 to 12 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.